Good morning, students. See, students, statistics chapter, 14th chapter. Already we learn in our 9th class, 8th class statistics. So, see, introduction. Ganesh recorded the marks of 26 children in the class in mathematics assessment 1 in the register as follows. So, Ganesh, student leader, recorded the 26 children marks like this. So, how it is, whether the recorded data is organized properly or not. The data is organized properly or not organized. Tell me. It is not organized properly. It is not in the ascending order. It is not in the descending order. By observing this data, we can't decide who is the least marks, who is the highest marks, how many members got between 50 to 70, 70 to 80, 90, like that. His teacher asked him to report on how his class students have performed in mathematics assessment 1. So Ganesh prepared and Ganesh prepared the following table and to understand the performance of his class. So Ganesh prepared like this: 0 to 33 for marks got 4 children, between 34 to 50 6 children, 10 children got between 51 to 75, 6 children got 76 to 100. So now how it is like? It is like his teacher appreciated for organizing data like this. So here this is called like group data, but here Ganesh should have used smaller range. Why or why not? So here let us see how to find the mean for ungrouped data. So already we find mean of ungrouped data. What is the definition of mean? Mean means sum of the observations by number of observations. Here see, for example, x1, x2, x3, xn are observations. 10 marks, 20 marks, 30 marks, 40 marks, 50 marks, 60 marks. Okay. So 10 marks got 5 students. 5 students got 10 marks. 2 students got 20 marks. So like that, frequencies. F1, F2, Fn. This means that observation x1 occurs f1 times. That means 10 marks for 5 students. Like, okay. That means sum of the observations means x1 occurs f1 times. So x multiply sum of observations means f1 into x1. x2 occurs f2 times, f2 into x2. x3 occurs like that. So sum of the observations means f1 into x1, f2 into x2, fn into xn. So number of observations means frequencies. f1 plus f2 plus f3 plus fn. So the mean of the data given by sum of the observations, f1 x1 plus f2 x2 so and so fn xn by f1 plus f2 plus fn. Okay. See, example 1. This is the formula to find the mean for ungrouped data. Mean is denoted by x bar equal to sum of fi into xi by sum of fi. This is summation sigma. This we can read as sigma. Sigma fi into xi by sigma fi. So the marks obtained in the mathematics by 30 students in the class 10 of a certain school are given in table below. Find the mean of the marks. Okay. Mean of the marks obtained by students. Marks obtained, number of students. 10 marks got one for one student. 20 marks for one student, 36 marks for 3 students, 40 marks for 4 students. 4 students got 40 marks, 3 students got 50 marks, 2 students got 56 like. So what is the formula? Fi into xi by summation fi. So it is right like table like this. This is marks obtained xi fi multiply fi into xi, 10 into 1 10, 20 into 1 20, 36 into 3 108 like that. Find the products. Then add this frequencies. Summation fi 30, summation fi into xi 1779. Apply the formula. Mean equals sum of the observations 1779 by 30 equal 59.3. So in most of our real life situation, data is usually so large that to make meaningful study, it needs to consider as a group of data. So wherever you see data is very large, so we need to condense it as a group of data. So we need to convert into ungrouped data into grouped data. So while converting into grouped data, ungrouped data into grouped data, for example, 4 students got 25 marks. Then that 4 will comes in the next interval. Here 10 to 25. 25 got 2 students, but that 25 got 2 students, but that 2 students comes in the next interval. Okay. So remember that while allocating frequencies to each class interval, students whose scores is equal to any upper class boundary, 4 students have obtained 40 marks. So that 4 students consider in the next interval 40 to 50, not in the interval 25 to 40. You ought to remember that. So that is grouped like that. So now what is the class mark? Upper class limit, lower class limit by 2. So class interval. So like class interval fi. Class marks. Class marks means upper class limit plus lower class limit by 2. 10 plus 25 by 2, 17.5. 25 plus 40, 65 by 2, 32.5. 40 plus 55, 95 by 2, 47. Like that you have to find. How can you get x? Add the upper class, lower class and divide by 2. Then multiply fi into xi. Multiply these two. 2 into 17.5, 35. 3 into 32.5, 97.5 like that. Add this all. Add the frequencies. So mean equal to sum of observations. Sigma fi xi by sigma fi. That is 1860 by 30. That is 62. Here this method of finding known as direct method. Okay. So let us see do the problems in the exercise using direct method.